Smells really, really good. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be cooking Grandma's Chicken Tofu Casserole, or Ama Tofu Ji Bao. So let's start cooking. And now we're going to marinate our chicken leg. I have with me over here one piece of boneless chicken leg weighing approximately 280 grams. I've taken out the skin and removed most of the fats. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of young ginger juice derived from grating ginger and squeezing out the juice. Add in a few dashes of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornflour. Mix them up well first. Finally, add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them up well and we'll let them marinate in the fridge for an hour. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put our dish together. Heat up your pan, your wok or your casserole. You can even use a clay pot if you want to. Add in a little bit of oil. Add in 1 thumb-sized ginger, sliced thinly like this. We need to extract the flavor out of the ginger. I'm using medium heat over here. Please do the same. We'll fry the ginger until they are a little bit brown on the sides. This will create a very nice gingerly taste to your dish, which is actually very vital. Do not worry about the brown bits over here. Alright, I'm not using a non-stick pan. That's why I can see all these brown bits. Just slowly pan fry them up. Move them around. Now as you can see, the ginger are getting brown on the sides. We're adding our garlic now. 4 cloves of garlic sliced, put it in. You just need to fry them until we can smell the fragrance coming out from them. Smells very, very good. Once you can smell them, we add in our chicken. Add in your marinated chicken. Spread them out. This might stick a bit because I'm not using a non-stick pan, but do not worry, because later we'll be adding water to deglaze it. You just need to fry this around just to get the fragrance out. Scrape up the bottom as you do so. Well, you just need to fry this until they are a little bit white on the surface. Now, of course, if you use a non-stick pan, then you won't see all these charred bits over here. But these are all flavor, actually. We'll maintain the fire at medium heat. We'll fry them until we no longer see any redness on the meat. So once this is done, we'll add in water. Add in 500 milliliters of water. Now scrape the bottom up gently. There's a lot of flavor from the charred bottom. Once you clean up the bottom, we'll add in a little bit of chicken stock powder. 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. If you are using chicken stock to replace the water, then you do not have to add in the chicken stock powder. If you are using chicken cube, just half a chicken cube will be fine. Mix them up well. Now we'll just push the chicken to one side and add in the rest of our ingredients. Add in 180 grams of cabbage or wongbok. You can even use broccoli if you want to. Put the more fibrous part down first, followed by the leaves. Now we add in our tofu, 150 grams of tofu, cut into cubes like this, just slide them down. Now we put the lid on and let this cook for approximately 8 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 8 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Now we'll stir in 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Create a small space in the center. This is where we'll put our glass noodles in. Add in 40 grams of glass noodles. The weight is pre-soaked, right? You need to soak it until it's a little bit soft. This cooks pretty fast. Just place it in the center. Push it down a little bit. Give this a little taste just to make sure that it's savory enough. Wow, Really good, really good. Now all we have to do is add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Sprinkle a little bit of white pepper. And add in a bunch of spring onions. Cut into small pieces like this. And it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really, really good. Let's try the glass noodles. The glass noodles absorb the soup very, very well. Chicken is very tender. Let's try the soup. The soup, it has a hint of ginger, very beautiful, and overall it's full of body. So I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. Wow, very good.